Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Verizon eSIM on your iPhone 16, follow these simple steps to set up your cellular service without a physical SIM card. Step 1. Make sure you have an active Verizon account and that your iPhone 16 is connected to Wi-Fi. Step 2. If you're setting up a new phone, follow the on-screen setup prompts until you reach the Setup Cellular screen. Step 3. Select Use eSIM instead when given the option to choose between physical SIM and eSIM. Step 4. If you're adding eSIM to an existing iPhone, go to Settings, then tap Cellular or Mobile Data. Step 5. Tap Add Cellular Plan or Add eSIM and wait for your device to detect available plans. Step 6. If you're transferring from another iPhone, you may see an option to transfer from nearby iPhone. Follow the prompts to complete the transfer. Step 7. Alternatively, scan the QR code provided by Verizon either in your My Verizon app or from a Verizon representative. Step 8. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to complete activation, which may take a few minutes, then restart your iPhone to ensure the eSIM is properly configured and you can make calls and use data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.